Ozone is not widely used in community water supply because it is not possible to maintain the residual concentrations of ozone in water after disinfection process. This is both A and R true. R is correct explanation of A. Most ozone is generated by the high voltage for the water treatment, and it is generated on the site because it is unsuitable and decomposed to elemental oxygen in a short period times of after generation. Short period times of after the generation. Which one of following gas play a decisive role in affecting the climate of the earth? Which of the following gases play a decisive role in affecting the climate of the earth? This is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas play a decisive role in affecting the climate of the earth. CO2 is also called responsible for global warming. CO2 is also responsible for the global warming. A refuse derived fuel refers to segregate high calorific fractions of the processed MSW, and refuse derived fuel transfer to the segregated high calorific functions of processed by MSW. Segregated high calorific fractions of the processed MSW to derive refused to drive fuel refers to the segregate high calorific fractions of processed value. The concentrations of sulfur dioxide in ambient atmospheric was measured 30 micron per meter cube expressed above the sulfur dioxide concentration in ppm under the same condition given P upon RT बराबर 15 mole and where P is the pressure, T is the temperature, R is the universal gas constant. Take molecular weight of sulfur oxide 64. इसका आंसर नहीं दिया गया है. Match the following statement that the system descriptions on the name of the system physical, chemical, and biological factor that species need to in order to live and reproduce exist. Ecological niche presence of rich and unique biological diversity found in the ecotone. Stage in the evaluation can ecosystem at which the all species are dynamic evaluation equilibrium among themselves and which environment formation of plants and animals that have common characteristics due to वन में भी ठीक है, टू में ए ठीक है, थ्री में भी, वन में डी आएगा भाई. एज इफेक्ट टू में ए, थ्री में बी. इकोलॉजिकल नीचे formation of plants of the same species C. Aerosol is a depression of the small solid and dispersion of small solid and liquid particles. Aerosol is a depression of the small solid or liquid particle in gaseous in इसका मतलब होता है नाइट्रेट. Air pollution formed during the photochemical reactions of the hydrocarbon and oxidants like SO2, NOx under the influence of the sunlight. Next are the which of following these produce dangerous photochemical smokes, that is the hydrocarbons. Photochemical smokes, that is hydrocarbon produce dangerous photochemical smoke. Which of these is not a nitrate of generally used chlorofluorocarbons? This is non-corrosives. Which of following these is not a nature of generally used chlorofluorocarbon? Reactive, odorless, non-inflammable, non-flammable. Which of these is not a nature of generally used in chlorofluorocarbons? ठीक है, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स आर corrosive in nature, तो नॉन corrosive नहीं होता है. Which of these natural contaminants of the air? Which of these natural contaminants of the air. तो क्या आएगा इसमें? pollen grains, स्मोक बनती है. Pollen grains in the air are altered by the nitrogen oxides and ozone in such a way that they are able to cause allergy more easily. The maximum damage of the Taj Mahal is a sulfur dioxide से हो रहा है ताज महल. The maximum damage to the Taj Mahal is because of SO2 or oxides of sulfur fastly combined with calcium carbonate in the sandstone form of calcium sulfate, which is further oxidized by the oxygen atmospheric resultant and whole surface of the damaging. Carbon monoxide concentration is 9 ppm at 20 degree 1 atm pressure is equivalent to nearly concentrations. ppm into molecular weight divided by 24.54 moles. मोलिकुलर वेट CO बराबर 12 + 16 डिवाइड बाई 28. 9 × 20. अब ppm मोल क्या? ppm कितना? 9. मोलिकुलर वेट कितना? 28 डिवाइड बाई द 24.54. किसका है? कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड कंसनट्रेशन 9 ppm एट 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड एंड 1 atm सरफेस 1 atm प्रेशर इज इक्वलेंट टू द नियरली. तो 1 मोलिकुलर वेट कितना होता है? 28. मोलिकुलर वेट ऑफ CO 12 + 16 बराबर 28. और 24.54 क्या है? हमें भी नहीं पता. तो कंसनट्रेशन निकाला जाता है ऐसे. कंसनट्रेशन निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है ppm मोलिकुलर वेट अपॉन 24.54. The end product formed after the separation and anaerobic bacteria digestion of the organic municipal solid waste. This is famous. The end product formed after separation and aerobic bacteria digestion of organic municipal solid waste. The end product formed after decomposition of organic matter in a controlled manner in a humus, which can used for recirculation in secondary filter or composting by the land filter manure. Fresh air is required to be supplied to an occupied hall at a rate of 15 से 30 15 to 30 सेंटीमीटर क्यूबिक पर आवर्स 15 to 30 cubic hour per person. Fresh air is required to the supply to an occupied hall at 15 से 30 cubic. Fresh air is required to be supplied to an occupied hall at a rate of 20 meter cube hour per person and 15 से 30 cubic hour per person and offices and conference rooms. The important gases pollutant contribute. The acid rain. All of the above. SO2 or CO2. SO2, CO2, NO2. The important gaseous pollutant contribute to the acid rains. Acid rains में सारी होते हैं. SO2 होता है, CO2 होता है, NO2. All gas mainly SO2, NO2 is a sulfur and nitrogen oxide combined with the water vapor to form secondary pollutant like H2SO4, which causes the acid rains. Bag filters are used for removing dust particle from the best gases. Bag filters are used to removing dust particle from the best gases. What is the agglomerations of the carbon particles held together by the moisture by the acid sheet? What is the agglomerations of the carbon particles held together by the moisture which has become acidic through combinations of SO3 is called acid soot. Acid soot is a powdered like form of amorphous carbon soot formed during the incomplete combustion from the precursor molecules such as acetylene. It consists of agglomerated non-particles. What does the carbon monoxide in the air primary affected? What does the carbon monoxide in the air primary affected? What does The carbon monoxide in the air primary effect. This is the C. Heart. What does the carbon monoxide in the air primary effect? Carbon monoxide enters in the bloodstream through the lungs, reduced the oxygen delivery to the body organs. Then air primarily affect is heart. The Raynaud process is used for. The Raynaud process is used for desulfurizations of the flue gases. In Raynaud process, flue gas enter the lower section of the observer at 150 to 200 degrees centigrade. After the partial absorption of SO2 gas, the passed out through the cooler where it is cooled about the 110 degree. Raynaud process is used for the desulfurizations of the flue gases. Next बात करते हैं increase in presence of the causes of sound to become louder. Increase in pressure cause the sound to the become louder. The amplitude of wave is related to the amount of energy it carries. A high amplitude create high energy which increased by the pressure increase. Therefore intensity of sound is increases. Increase the pressure cause the sound. Increase in pressure cause the sound to become louder. The amplitude of wave is related to the amount of energy it carries. A high amplitude create high energy which is increased by the pressure increase and therefore intensity of the sound increase. That is the pan. Which of following formed from the other pollutant chemical reactions in the atmospheric and are not directly emitted as the exhausted from the plant or internal combustion engine? That is pan. Pan is peroxyacetylene nitrate, an important constituent of photochemical smoke. That is T, which is the major constituent of the photochemical smoke. Which is the major constituent of the photochemical smoke? That is the NO2. Photochemical smoke, a mixture of pollutants that are formed where nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compound react the sum of creating boron haze of the city. NO2 is the major component of the photochemical smokes. Which is the major constituent of the photochemical smoke is NO2. The photochemical smoke is a mixture of pollutants that are formed where the nitrogen oxides and the volatile organic compound react to the sum creating a brown haze above the city. If carbon monoxide is 1.3% in air, then which the following may be caused? Death in less than 3 minutes. If the carbon monoxide is in 1.3% in air, then which of following may be caused? Death in less than 3 minutes. 1.3% carbon monoxide content in the air can cause death of animal within 3 minutes. Which types of air pollutant is ethylene hydrocarbons? Ethylene hydrocarbons is types of air pollutants. Ozone gas is shapely present in the layer between. Ozone gas is shapely present in layer between the 20 to 35 kilometer above the ground level. Right. Ozone O3 is a molecule comprised of the three oxygen atom is mainly found in the two layer of the or atmosphere. The stratosphere, a layer in the atmosphere between the 10 to 15 kilometer above the earth's surface, contain around 90% of the total atmospheric ozone amount. Ozone is a molecule comprised of the three oxygen atom is mainly found in the two layer of or atmosphere. The stratosphere, a layer in the atmosphere between the 10 to 15 kilometer above the earth's surface, contain around the 90% of the total atmospheric ozone. The process of heating solid wastewater control condition is a B. Pyrolysis. Pyrolysis. It is the process of heating solid wastewater controlled conditions. The process of heating solid waste under the control conditions. The process of The process of heating solid waste under the control condition is the pyrolysis. It is the process of heating solid under the control condition. For two cycles coupled in series. The topping cycle has efficiency of 30% and the bottom cycle has efficiency of 20%. The overall combined efficiency is 44%. हाँ कैसे? The topping cycle efficiency जो होती है वो कितनी दे रखी है इसमें 30%. एंड द वर्क रिमेन आफ्टर टॉपिंग साइकिल कितना 70%. बॉटम साइकिल एफिशिएंसी 20%. ठीक है, तो कितना हो गया 70 × 20 डिवाइड बाई 100 40. और कंबाइंड साइकिल एफिशिएंसी 30 + 40 तो 40%. For two cycle coupled in a series, the topping cycle has efficiency is 30% and the bottom cycle has efficiency is 20%. The overall combined cycle efficiency is, अब कैसे होगी, ऐसे होगी. टॉपिंग साइकिल एफिशिएंसी कितनी 30, तो रिमेनिंग आफ्टर टॉपिंग कितना बचा 70%. बॉटम साइकिल एफिशिएंसी कितनी है 20%. तो क्या हो जाएगा 70 × 20 डिवाइड बाई 100. तो ये हो जाएगा 14%. फिर इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. द ओवरऑल एफिशिएंसी ऑफ ए स्ट्रीम पावर प्लांट कैन बी इंक्रीज्ड बाई 1 or 4. Increasing in the steam temperature, the overall efficiency of a steam power plant can be increased by the increase the steam temperature, increase the condenser pressure, improve the turbine blade cooling, provide air preheaters, increase the steam temperature. The overall efficiency of the steam power plant can be increased by the increase in the steam temperature and provide the air preheaters. What are the air pollutants responsible for the acid rain within the downwind area of the major industrial emissions, that is sulfur dioxides? Air pollutant responsible for the acid rains, that is the SOx, NOx in the oxides of sulfur and nitrogens. Which combines with the water vapor in the air result acidity in the air caused of the acid rains. If the wind velocity at the at the height of 2 meter above the ground is 15 km, then velocity is the height of 10 meter above the ground will be, that is 19 km. Wind speed at a certain height by the using the power, that is Vc V1 upon Z2 upon Z1 divided by D. V1 is the velocity at the lower height, velocity at the lower Z2, the wind exposure is 0.16, V2 बराबर 15 10 की पावर 2 0.16, V2 बराबर 19.4 किलोमीटर पर आवर्स. When the environmental lapse rate is greater than the dry adiabatic ELR is greater than ALR. When the environmental lapse rate is greater than the dry adiabatic lapse rate ALR, the atmospheric is said to be super adiabatic. A super adiabatic lapse rate is occur when the temperature decrease with the height at the rate of greater than 10 degree सेंटीग्रेड पर किलोमीटर है. इसमें ELR greater than ALR होता है. Unstable environment in such cases rising parcel of air will always remain warmer than the surrounding and will continues to the range and reverse. Also time is that descending parcel of the heavier air will be always remain the cooler then the surrounding becomes. As we move down, the environment is getting warmer more quickly than the parcel of the air. The noise pollution is additive on the logarithmic scale. The noise propagates differently in the different medias, both A and 1. The loud sound wave are follows the logarithmic scale is atmospheric. The sound wave travel through the differential medium and the wave is vibrating according to molecules in the matter. A residential house along the highway, an effective strategy to control noise level is planting thick bushes all around the houses. The noise levels are reduced, the frequency are the lowers. The dispersion of the pollutant in atmospheric is maximum when the dispersion of the pollutant in atmospheric is maximum when the environmental lapse rate is greater than adiabatic lapse rate. The environment dispersion of the dispersion of pollutant in atmosphere is maximum. The dispersion of pollutants in atmosphere. Dispersion of pollutants in atmosphere. The dispersion of pollutants. The dispersion of pollutions. The dispersion of pollutions in atmosphere is maximum when environmental lapse rate is greater than the adiabatic lapse rate. This condition is called super adiabatic environmental. ये है फ्लूम. Two primary air pollutants are sulfur dioxide and hydrocarbons. Pollutant which are directly disposed in atmospheric is known as primary pollutant. Example: smoke, inorganic gases, SO2, monoxide, CO2, etc. या radioactive materials. Secondary pollutants produced from two or more primary pollutant. Example: formaldehyde and pan. One of following is not a primary pollutant in air. This is the secondary: oxides of nitrogen, volatile organic compounds, and suspended particulates. प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स की बात करें तो कौन कौन से होते हैं? प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स आर दोज इमिट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द आइडेंटिफाइबल सोर्स. एग्जांपल: प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स द fine particle less than 100 microns in diameter, coarser particle greater than 100 micron in diameter, sulfur compounds SO2, oxides of nitrogen NO and NO2, carbon monoxide CO, halogen compounds, organic compounds, रेडियोएक्टिव कंपाउंड्स. सेकेंडरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स की बात करें अगर हम, तो सेकेंडरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स आर दोज विच आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द एयर बाय इंटरेक्शन अमोंग्स टू और मोर प्राइमरी पोल्यूटेंट्स, बाय रिएक्शन विद नॉर्मल एटमॉस्फेरिक कंस्टिट्यूएंट विद और विदाउट फोटो एक्टिवेशंस. एग्जांपल्स की बात करें सेकेंडरी एयर पोल्यूशन के बारे में तो ओजोन, फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड, प्रॉक्सी एसिटिलीन नाइट्रेट, फोटोकेमिकल स्मोक्स. पोल्यूटेंट एंड सोर्स की बात करें तो एसिड वाटर, SO2, CO, फ्लाई एस निकलती थर्मल पावर से, ठीक है, और CO निकलता ऑटोमोबाइल से, ठीक है, एंड जो SO2 निकलता है माइनिंग से. एसिड वाटर, A में 1, B में 4, सी में 2, डी में 3, बिल्कुल राइट। एसिड वाटर जो होता है ये क्या हुआ? एसिड वाटर माइनिंग से निकलता है, ठीक है। SO2 ऑटोमोबाइल से निकलता है। CO2 थर्मल पावर प्लांट स्टेशन से निकलता है। और जो फ्लाई एश होती हैं वो वोल्केनो से निकलता है। फ्लाई एश वोल्केनो से कैसे निकलता है? भैंस की टांग, अजीब है बकचोदी। फ्लाई एश यहाँ से निकलता है, ये गलत अरेंजमेंट दे रखा है। विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द सेकेंडरी पोल्यूटेंट ऑफ एयर? सेकेंडरी पोल्यूटेंट्स ऑफ द एयर क्या है? प्रॉक्सी एसिटिलीन नाइट्रेट। सेकेंडरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स की बात करें तो सेकेंडरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स दोज विच आर produced in air by the interaction among two or more primary pollutants by reaction with normal atmospheric constituent with the photoactive ozone formaldehyde pan। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन तो पढ़ो ही मत यहाँ से। During temperature invariation in the atmospheric air pollution tends to the during temperature inversion in the atmospheric air pollution accumulate below the inversion layer, accumulate above the inversion layer, disperse laterally in the during the time invention of the accumulate below the inversion layer. When the atmosphere of the environment increases with the altitude, the lapse rate becomes negative from the normal stage. This stage is known as inversion. Inversion is also defined as the state in which the warmer air lies over the coldest air. In this stall, it stops upward lifting pollutants, thereby creating the concentrations of the pollutants in out close environments. The most significant gases of air pollutant is sulfur dioxide. The most significant gaseous air pollutant is sulfur dioxide. SO2 combined with the water from the H2SO4 producing detrimental effect of building and living beings. So SO2 affect mucous membrane when inhaled. It leads to the bronchial spasm. A list of air pollutants is given below. 1 2 3 sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and radioactive substances. Pollutant which are directly disposed in the atmosphere is known as primary pollutant. Example is smoke, inorganic gases, SO2, CO, CO2 and radioactive materials. Secondary pollutants are the produced from the two or more primary pollutants. Example O3, formaldehyde and PAN. Carbon monoxide is hazardous to health because carbon monoxide is hazardous to health is known as it reduced the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Reduced oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Carbon monoxide is an odorless and colorless gas as its major origin in the incomplete combustion of the carbonaceous material. It is highly poisonous gas and is generally classified as a asphyxiate. Carbon monoxide has a strong affinity for the combining with the hemoglobin blood from the carboxyl hemoglobin. This reduces the ability of hemoglobin to carry oxygen in the body.